Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Panalo ang Phoenix Suns kontra sa Detroit Pistons 120-106. Top performer si Kevin Durant sa kanyang 41 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks. Ozar Thompson 14 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists, 4 steals, 4 blocks. Tinalo naman ng Toronto Raptors sa isang overtime ang San Antonio Spurs 123-116. Scottie Barnes 30 points, 11 rebounds, 6 assists, 3 steals, 3 blocks. Keldon Johnson 26 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals. Wagi naman ang Cleveland Cavaliers kontra sa Golden State Warriors 115-104. Humakot ng 31 points, 2 rebounds, 7 assists, 2 steals si Donovan Mitchell. Habang nagtala naman ng 18 points, 3 rebounds, 8 assists, 3 steals, 1 block si Draymond Green. Tinalo naman ng Dallas Mavericks ang Charlotte Hornets 124-118. Pinangunahan ni Luka Doncic ang Dallas sa kanyang 23 points, 12 rebounds, 9 assists, 1 block. LaMelo Ball 30 points, 10 rebounds, 13 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Nakuha naman ng Grizzlies Memphis ang una nilang panalo kontra sa Portland Trail Blazers 112-110. Desmond Bain 30 points, 8 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal. Malcolm Brogdon 18 points, 7 rebounds, 11 assists, 1 steal. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 7, 2023. Para sa alas 8 ng umaga, maglalaban ng Golden State Warriors at Detroit Pistons. Magharap naman ng San Antonio Spurs at Indiana Pacers. Maglalaban din ang Dallas Mavericks at Orlando Magic. Kakalabanin naman ng Washington Wizards ang Philadelphia 76ers. Para naman sa alas 8:30 ng umaga, maglalaban ng Milwaukee Bucks at Brooklyn Nets. Kakaharapin naman ng Los Angeles Lakers ang Miami Heat. Kakalabanin naman ng Los Angeles Clippers ang New York Knicks. Sa alas 9 ng umaga, magharap ang Utah Jazz at Chicago Bulls. Maglalaban din ang Sacramento Kings at Houston Rockets. Maglalaban naman ang Boston Celtics at Minnesota Timberwolves. Maghaharap din ang Atlanta Hawks at Oklahoma City Thunder. Magtutos naman ang New Orleans Pelicans at Denver Nuggets alas 10 ng umaga. Heto ang team standings as of November 6, 2023. Sa Western Conference, Denver Nuggets 6 wins, 1 loss. Dallas Mavericks 5 wins, 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 5 wins, 2 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 4 wins, 2 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 3 wins, 2 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 3 wins, 2 losses. Los Angeles Lakers 3 wins, 3 losses. Oklahoma City Thunder 3 wins, 3 losses. San Antonio Spurs 3 wins, 3 losses. Phoenix Suns 3 wins, 4 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 3 wins, 4 losses. Houston Rockets 2 wins, 3 losses. Sacramento Kings 2 wins, 3 losses. Utah Jazz 2 wins, 5 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 1 win, 6 losses. Para naman sa Eastern Conference, Boston Celtics 5 wins, 0 loss. Philadelphia 76ers 4 wins, 1 loss. Atlanta Hawks 4 wins, 2 losses. Orlando Magic 4 wins, 2 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 3 wins, 2 losses. Indiana Pacers 3 wins, 3 losses. Brooklyn Nets 3 wins, 3 losses. Toronto Raptors 3 wins, 4 losses. Cleveland Cavaliers 3 wins, 4 losses. Charlotte Hornets 2 wins, 4 losses. New York Knicks 2 wins, 4 losses. Miami Heat 2 wins, 4 losses. Detroit Pistons 2 wins, 5 losses. Chicago Bulls 2 wins, 5 losses. Washington Wizards 1 win, 4 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.